This is Lavender, otherwise known as Froggy, otherwise known as Chief Troublemaker. There. There. Some cheese. Here's some cheese. There you go. Oh, here. There you go. There we go. She's a cute puppy. All puppies are cute. There we go. There we go. She's got a lot of front on her. Even at this early stage. There you go. There you go. There you go. Good girl. She's a square little thing, I think. No, put your feet back down there. There you go. Sometimes you can just bring them up over their front at this age. Well, sometimes not. It helps if they leave their feet where they belong. There you go. She's a real nicely structured puppy. I have noticed she carries her tail a little high at this early age. But, come on, pull up. Boop, boop, boop. All right. There you go. Need a cute little head? Yeah. There you go. I don't suppose I showed everybody where your shoulders were today. Come here. Her shoulders are right there. Come here. Up. Shoulders in line. It's about 2 fingers. Come on, there you go. Up. There's a good